How to ask and answer, how are you? Hello everyone. Welcome to today's English lesson. In this video, we're going to learn one of the most common questions in English. How are you? What does, how are you mean? How are you? Is a polite question we use to ask about someone's feelings, health, or mood. It's the same as saying, how do you feel? Are you okay? How is everything? We usually say it after greeting someone. Example. Hello. How are you? Hi, John. How are you today? Common responses to how are you? Here are the most common ways to answer. Positive answers: I'm fine, thank you. I'm good. I'm great. I'm very well, thanks. I'm doing awesome. Neutral answers: I'm okay. I'm not bad. I'm alright. Negative answers: if you're not feeling well. I'm tired, I'm not feeling well, I'm a little sad, I've been better. Different ways to ask how are you. There are many variations of this question, some more casual and friendly. How's it going? How are you doing? How have you been? If you haven't seen the person in a while. What's up? Very informal. Example. Hey. How's it going? Hi. What's up? Quick tips. Always smile and make eye contact when asking. In English, it's polite to also ask in you. After answering. Example. I'm great, thanks. And you? Review. How are you? Means you're asking about someone's feelings or condition. The most common answers are, I'm fine, I'm good, I'm okay, etc. There are many ways to ask the same question, like how's it going? Or what's up? That's it for today's lesson. Practice saying how are you? With friends, family, or classmates every day. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.